Now I pulled the hot wire out too. The whole thing was just shot.
Do you have to take it up from the outside?
Yeah, but I gotta disconnect this wire first. Or I gotta get this back off. Things like wedged in here. It's a hell of a...
Can you just cut it?
Well, yeah, I do now. Yeah, the only thing that's hooked on is the ground. See that outlet?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's not good. Well, you can see the back of it. See the back of it all melted?
Oh, wow.
That was a fire waiting to happen, babe. Even here, look at this. It's just all melted right there.
Oh, wow.
And you know what? The surveyor never said a word about it.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Wow. What are you going to do with all the rotten wood?
Well, it's just a few places. It's like
Well,
right here.
yeah, but it's just a frame. Why don't you rebuild the frame?
Well, except that it's all glued in. I mean, it's not a... Oh, here's a washer. I don't know what it's for. And I dropped a screw earlier. It's down here somewhere. I can't find it. All right. This is a mess.
All right. Have fun.